Feeding the squirrels and birds for the winter. Somebody's curious to know what this is. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. We have a real Christmas tree this year. We got bird seed here.
You want me to hold it while you're doing it?
No?
No?
Yeah, you can hold that.
Wait a minute, where am I going to be?
Like right here.
Okay, that's good.
Oh.
We're going to save a little bit
Alright.
for the back.
It's cold, but not as cold as I thought it would be out here. Uh-oh.
This guy here can come there.
The wrens used to live in there. Not anymore.
I should just take it. I didn't know since it's crooked if they were still living there.
Reloading for the backyard. That should be enough. You guys want to help? Come on, doggies. Let's go. We got, oh, I don't know how much, so. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hello, Shy. Are you cold? I know I'm cold. Where do you want this? Ah, Belle.
Pour a pile next to the squirrel food.
Did you want me to use all of it? Alright. Windmill's blowing like crazy. If it wasn't windy, it'd be relatively nice out. The wind just makes everything colder. Whew. Belle? Shy baby. Shy baby. Go inside. You wanna go inside?